Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday. Today I want to talk about how either way the trade war shakes out, whether you think it's good or bad, it's both good for real estate investors. And let me tell you why. So let's say the trade war, especially in the short term, causes a lot of turmoil and GDP goes down and people lose jobs and inflation goes up. Well, guess what? The Fed is going to have to lower interest rates, which they plan on doing anyway, and they would have to lower interest rates more dramatically, which would mean lower cost of capital for real estate investors. So that's lower cost of capital and better cash flow. So everybody wants interest rates to go down. So in the short term, that would be great. I think what's going to happen in the midterm when that all shakes out is we're going to have more jobs, more factories, more cities that get developed domestically, which is going to be good because people will be making money. So they will be able to buy homes for higher prices. They'll be able to rent homes for higher prices. So ultimately, I think the whole thing is going to work out great for us because in the short term, it's going to cause some, well, and people perceive some kind of chaos and it'll lower interest rates, which is great because especially if you already bought rental properties in the last 3 years and you are paying 8, 9% for your loans, you can refinance them when the interest rates come down, especially if there's a dramatic um, decrease. And that's what I always tell people. And that's why I say you should have been buying when the interest rates were high. So if you buy something that cash flows and interest rates are high, you're only going to cash flow more when interest rates go down. You benefit both ways. You got a low price because interest rates were high, low price for the property. And then you got a cash flow. And then when interest rates go down, you can refinance and get a bigger cash flow. So anyway, I think that's going to happen in the short term. In the midterm, as Trump brings jobs, or you could say, the government brings jobs back to the United States. Now, I don't think, like, just so you guys know, I'm not a fool here. I don't think we're going to have a bunch of people working in factories. I think that they will bring back manufacturing, which will be robotic. And I think the new generation of jobs in this country are going to be like mechanics or people that service AI and robots and this, that, and the other thing, which I think is going to be fantastic. So, in any event, when they bring all these big factories, there's all kinds of support for big factories. There are going to be managers, there are going to be people that are working on these things. This is going to bring a lot of our cities got destroyed with all this, um, with all the jobs that went overseas. So when they bring them back, look, we're already cash flowing in these markets. So people will make more money, pay higher rent, buy houses for more money. It's going to be tremendous. So either way this thing shakes out, matter of fact, the way I think it's going to shake out, it's just going to be great and great and great. So I hope you guys have the best day of your life. And I hope you're looking forward to all this wonderful stuff as real estate investing never stops. It's always good. I love it. Thanks, guys. See you.